Hey guys, here's a little behind the scenes for you. Here in the greenhouse, you can see we got this camera here pointing down on these peat pots, the video that we're working on. A lot of times I film by myself and it's hard to do. I try to produce the best quality videos I can, but the main thing is to get the information across to you. So we're just sitting here waiting on the peat pods to swell up so we can plant cabbage. So figured I'd give you a little behind the scenes look, and kind of turn the camera just a little bit for you. You can see right here the propagation frame. It has a heat tape all through it, and we've got ivy geraniums and red geraniums that we propagated. Here's roses and boxwood that we got going. So it's just us hanging out in the greenhouse. Little, like I say, it's just a little behind the scenes. Look at what we do here. It's not, none of this is really complicated. It's, and I search YouTube and Google and everything else when there's something new that I want to try and I don't really know what to do. So I seek information a lot of times just like y'all do. So I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes look.